Hello, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. We have many fans from YouTube, from Facebook. They're very interesting on the smaller boat. They are 6.2 meter easy craft cabin, 6.2 meter easy craft center console, 6.25 meter propulsion, and 6.25 meter propulsion center console. These are four models. They're very good for the family, and you can see we have the layout, and the customer, the fans, they more care about the real boat, what it look like, and what the facilities and the function of this boat. So today I'm at the factory especially for introducing these four boats, and you can see we have many boats. I picked it up 3 units, very basic one, to make this a video to help you. Okay, let's check the first boat. Is many customer they asking after we send the quotation, what is basic package and what is the premium package. So this one is the one I can find from the factory, which is very basic. So you can see this one is gray color. The two-tone painting is the standard. Then on the interior is very simple, with two captain seat and co-captain seat. The standard aluminum checker plate flooring with inspection hatch for the fuel tank. On the side with EVA thick floor with a standard package. And the cutting board, the fish tank, and the rod holders, cup holder, they're all standard. And when you go inside the cabin, and we have the cabin cushion. And on the dashboard, you can see we have nothing. For the standard, we have only cut the hole for the wiring, the switch control panel with a USB, and is standard. The gauge for the fuel tank, and this cup holder, this all the standard, and all the windscreen with wipers. This is a package of the basic hull of 6.2 meter. On the rear deck, you can see we have the hatch for the fuel tank, and with this inspection small hatch which can be open to inspection and change the fuel gauge and the condition of the fuel tank. And on the back we have this fish tank with the circulation of the salt water, and the size is quite good, like 60 liters with this PVC cover. Then we have the battery box under, and we already have all the cables ready for connection the batteries, which makes very easy for you. And when you turn around, we have the fishing rod holders for 8 pieces, which is makes the fishing very simple. On the side, the standard is 3 rod holders and 2 cup holder, and we have 2 foldable seat on the back. This for all the standard boat package. Then we walk to the back of the boat. The transom is designed for single outboard motor. It's 115 to 175, I recommend. And 4-stroke, the shaft length is 25-inch. So this is a very standard package for the standard outboard engines, and you can get easily from your local dealer, from different brands like Yamaha, Suzuki, Mercury, Honda. So normally we use this Yamaha from our factory deliveries. And then you have this our new upgrade. As you can see, this cover from my hand, this is actually the #1 upgrade we have for the 2024. It's made of all aluminum, and before here is like a plastic PVC cover. Now we change to this to make very strong and make very good seal for the huge tank storage compartment. So when you close, and this makes very strong here. Before, when you use the plastic one, it's very easy for damage after 1 year or 2 years. This one is just like to be lasting forever. So this is one of the features we upgrade.